Yeah, they just knocked down the lights out here, man. We doing it big, and we getting ready for this fireworks show to a Michael Jackson beat and everything. So I'm gonna try to keep the camera focused in on this nice show, man, that we're gonna put on at Lone Star Park, show you how we do it out here, these Texas boys. 909 Entertainment, I know you out there somewhere. I see you, brother. Yeah, I got you. Peace out. Peace out. I see you. It's going on YouTube tonight, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Get this fireworks show in. Stop what, Ty? Y'all can't hear it, I don't think, but we jamming Michael Jackson. It's after midnight, man. They doing that Thriller. Cause this is Thriller, man. It's about 40,000 folks out here tonight. Where you at, man? What you talking about? Where you coming from?
Arlington.
You from Arlington, Texas? All right then, good deal. Out here at this fireworks show tonight. He gonna be YouTubed up tonight. YouTubed up tonight.
He is smammered.
Is he smammered?
He's going to YouTube.
He say he's all right though. He's good. No, Tosh, I just put a brand new battery in here. Okay. I'm gonna hit y'all back as soon as we start the fireworks. They should be coming up right about now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Blast off! I don't see shit. I don't see shit yet. Blast off! Oh man, I'm gonna show y'all. They fucking us out here with these Texas boys, man. Nah, that ain't it. That's the wrong show. Them fireworks coming from another town, man. Anyway, stay with me, stay posted. It's DZ, baby. And here we go for hours right about now, as soon as the screen get ready. Trying to get y'all some right now. There they go. There they go. There they go. Man, they got to get better than that. Come on now. All this money it costs to get in the park, and we getting one type of firecracker. That's some shit, ain't it, man? I guess we getting 2 or 3 different colors though, right? Now there you go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on now, 2 or 3 at one time. Some people watching in 3D, man. They in 3D out here, man.
Right there.
There goes some from another town over that way, man. All right. I'm gonna holler back at y'all later, man. Y'all wasting my film on this shit, but that's all good. It's DZ in full effect out here at this fireworks show. Lone Star, Texas, boy.